Rise Boss Production.
Yeah, my peeps, in a real life, you know, say, make it my father yard now.
Yeah.
Him a go be the chef today, you know.
Invade my yard and my kitchen, my people. So I say, alright, I will deal with my dinner, so instead I eat him one catch, so I eat we are going to deal with today, you know. So I show now I like my fire, because this is just a piece of tissue, you know, I just wrap it up around my finger and make a little funny, like, throw a little cooking oil down in it. And light it, I just the cooking oil is itself a blazer now, so I just go like that and put him in and put some little piece of coal around him and make him catch. More time the coal then good as some good wood make them prepare the coal then you have to look at little bramble out the door, you know, but more time when the coal them not so wicked, because you have to say them light then, you can't just do it like this and catch it with the one coal alone and that, you know. Yeah. Time pass gone away in scandal bag, you know. But we have to invent. So you keep the light of cold stove anywhere you're there, you light any fire. Where you're there with a symbol, yeah. Yeah, man. That's how you go, you know. Son invade the kitchen. So you go, you do your thing. Alright, Mr. Breeze. Don't back you up. Yeah? So we do that the right away. Wash me on right away.
Yeah, man, in a real life, I say, boss catch film fire. You know, me just throw in a napkin or tissue and just throw some cooking oil on it. But boss, make a little funnel, so that little funnel business when me see come like when you're there all a bush in a night, you can wrap it around one little tick and throw some oil in it and you go and burn it and walk. So that make me learn a while ago. You see, pray? Yeah, man. When I learn, me I learn too.
Yeah, man, I'm still going to because we are teachers, you know. Yeah, man.
Boss,
and for know, so we never love school, you know. Well, alright? Yeah. This is my two look washing thing, you know, because one thing with me, you know, cleanliness and godliness, you know. Yeah, man. I mean, I really talk, you know, but I still chat enough, you know. When I'm positiveness, you see? Yeah, man. Most of cleanliness side thing, so. I light up my stove, you know, alright? But please, first me line up, you know.
In a real life.
You know my kitchen not really there out here, so my kitchen there in my little cabin. But for you now, I go by the sun rule, you see it?
Yeah, man, we work out here, so peeps, outdoor. I now make him cook on a gas stove, because you know having gas stove and fridge and everything inside, you know, but me decide say outdoor cooking you want. So
Ragamuffin.
out here, so we are do it, you see, pray. So yeah, man, right now come like, you see him take out fish already and I see coconut. So to me, come like some rice and peas and some fish I'm going to deal with. Yeah, man. Big old coconut there. Fish
Yeah,
there.
man, that's how we deal with it, you know. Everything of it natural, you know. Most natural for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Simple, natural.
Yeah, man, simple, natural. Nearest island to coconut oil.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, in a Jamaica, I can tell her one. That sleep like the old time island. Yeah, man, but then near the airport, you know.
See a plane the kids. Near the airport there, you know. And man, plane in a year. Yeah, so right now I'm just going to wash the peas and line up the pot to put on the fire. Because the fire there over here so I catch up same way. So as soon as the fire catch up, we are going to put on the peas on that and then you know I'll deal with film thing. Because I am there I deal with the cooking today. Big chef same way and also my mother, Leah, Authentic Journey. Yeah man, check out our channel, my mother bad pan cooking same way.
Yeah man, one big family what it is, you know?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, because we have to do that, you know. Yeah.
Yeah man. Mother the one who cook the whole heap of meat and all these stuff. My father now no eat enough of my meat, so you know say him always a cook some ital food, Rastaman food, vegan food, all of them there I eat him cook as he pray. Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, man, I deal with my thing and with different
So you know rice and peas, you wash the peas and then you just put it on the fire and make it go and cook because that take a little while. So we are going to the next step after the peas go on the fire. So just like up the video, share, subscribe to the channel. Something new this forward on the channel. You see in a real life, Rastaman they are cooking dinner. So Rastaman I go tell you. Me have a make whole heap of question we have to ask time to come in a video. You see it what it was like in the 80s growing up and whole heap of little things. But for right now I'm in the kitchen with us, so subscribe to the channel. Fully active. When you put on the peas on the fire, I'll show you what go on. Yeah man. Boss just drop on the peas pot.
I throw some water in there, you know. And we're not throwing no whole heap because we deal with things different.
That is it.
Just watch me along the way how we deal with the thing, you know. Yeah man. Alright, so we'll go and line up the boil up and now and doing things. Well, me as a man I know, I just deal with my fish, take you out of the fridge and deal with it like that, you know. We season him up before I put him on the fridge, but we still have to season him up again, so that's the next thing when I go deal with it now. I go deal with my little piece of fish and make him go and set again till I'm ready for fry. I'm gonna see it, my people. Yeah, man, that's how it go, man. That's how we do it. As I say, you know, my people, my fish are come off a fridge, thaw out, and you see, my fish season already, you know, because you see, onion, scallion and everything, yeah, but I still put back my seasoning on my thing again before I deal with my thing, so. And if you don't see what I say, my people, my food, boy, you see, no found no. When you don't touch Jamaica, you know, no say, you know, boy, I want your father feel like cooking, you know, when you go cook some such and such, your father feel there, you know. Yeah, the great bonita that, you know, tuna.
Bonita jack.
Yeah, tuna, you know.
Boss,
Yeah,
season
man.
pan,
So me have
you
a
know.
season pan here, you know. Because we don't play, you know. Them here we use our seasoning and know our seasoning. Only thing else we might use a little Maggi, you know. Nothing more to it thing. Yeah, man. So I take all what I want and you know, and I water my head for with them, you know, because that's what I say, you know. Onion, scallion, thyme, pepper. Yeah. Garlic. I when I left with garlic. I have okra. I go reap okra, you know. So when I go reap okra, I go right at the tree, go reap okra, okay? Yeah. So it thing said. Fish me I go deal with. I'm going to deal with brown stew fish. No curry today. Today is Sunday. Brown stew fish. Alright. So me I'm Irish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, all of them are going on my fish pot, you know. Yes, my people are so me deal with it. So put them up here now. And then I get my water. So to everything when I deal with it now, you know me. I have to clean, you know, because I get my water again. Son bring a sour sap come in.
Yeah, man, just pick off a tree, you know. Just pick. Yeah, see when you pick.
Alright. Yeah man, this is my pepper. So I clean off my thing them good, you know. And then I wash them in my water before me add them to my thing. You see it? Yeah man. So we do it, you know, long time ago, you know, original chef, you know. Yeah man. But through the boss now and carry me with him more time, we do some of the cooking. But through the boss know me stay, you know. Yeah. I know say I'm lucky him here say, yeah man, you can't come in my kitchen today. That's how we stay, you know. We're not afraid of people nor nothing, you know, but you know, yeah. It's just different. Yeah man, this is a piece of onion and a little bit something. I'll cut the next onion. Thyme, okra. Because I do things different mostly, you know. Because everything going on for me seasoning one going on my people. Yeah man, I don't see it man. Everything going on for me seasoning go back for my fish then I'll go on till me ready. Everything where you see me put here so I go for my fish. All Irish. Some people could have said, they know put all the Irish, all the okra in it. Yeah man, that's how we deal with the thing man. More time I can't remember the word where the old people then say, you know. When you put like the seasoning on the thing and when you go put it down like they have a word where they say it, you know? Yeah man, that's how we deal with the thing. Me no can't remember them kind of big word them more time, so I just use some word, you know. I say the seasoning have to cook the fish first, you know?
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So we deal with
call
it.
it? What that marinate?
Yeah. Same word, my son.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. The season have to cook your food. Have to cook your fish first. Yeah, man. We'll peel off the thing, you know. We'll season with fish and cover him up, but make him go and kick back. And then we'll broke with coconut and grate with coconut. Easy. We no check say you joke, we no eat and no itching. What do you want in this? Garlic. Okra.
You say you got a farm, go look okra.
Yeah, man, we are going to farm, go look okra, man. Yeah, man, come ground, go look okra.
Right?
Yeah, man, if I even quarter does it.
Yeah, man, see the peeps. I go look some okra. You plant the okra them alongside the outside. So I'm growing them, go look okra.
Alright, my people, see, from down the line, come up, you know. Yeah. In that way, them no mix none, guys, that thing.
And you see all of them here where you see peeps, all of them grass here where you see, I implant them, you know. You take them from upper yard, car don't come plant grass, this so grass, this so time to come whole of the yard here, so I go full of grass. So you plant the okra them around here, so.
Alright, see it, my people.
Mm-hmm.
We're gone with that one already, but some more. Yeah, so we do it, you know. Give thanks and praise unto Father God, you know, if you don't plant, you can't reap, you know.
That is it.
You see the people, quarter dozen already.
Yeah, man.
Something like them are sell out to the people. $200 and $250 a dozen of people. Okay.
So boss just plant them himself.
Can give you some more time, 1, 2, 3. Alright, we can go on some more. So we have to see you for tomorrow, you know. You see how them big and powerful, my people. Yeah, man. You see them, my people. How them big and powerful. All time people say if you want to, if them whole or them young, you just go like this. So you see him? You see if he hold my people, he can't broke. You understand? But you see if him broke like so. Buck ready to eat. So we are teacher, you know. One next year again. Take out that one. So you got my people, we are every little thing. Catch them, pepper tree.
Oh, some pepper tree plant.
Yeah. My people, you know how I get by them root of pepper, yeah? I buy pepper and I see them season pan one to see me with. And I go for cook and when I draw for your pepper, I see a hole in the pepper. So I say, wait, where this a hole come from in the pepper? When I look my people, I want big worm. The worm I eat them thing there, that's why they spray them in the pepper. So you know, I just take the pepper and throw it through my window. Come here and say, chew it up on the fridge, you know, catch. They don't know some people over there, I clean up around my yard and when I look right which part, I not even remember my people. I see me see the heap of pepper, I say, wait. I remember so right there somewhere and show them my people. See the 2 roots of them. Yeah, cut from the pepper, I just saw me do my thing with people.
In the kitchen you go back here. No,
Yeah.
you catch a Rastaman season up in fish in a real life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So the amount of okra we reap, brother, that's why we plant.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I course
Alright,
to
you
catch
see
up.
the people, a tree them a come off right now, my people. You see where them a go right away in the water.
Mm.
Yeah, man. I use boat amount there. Yeah. Because we don't use half everything one way, you know, my people. We get that from the whole people, you know? Yeah. You see all of them I know my people. I go for my fish. When I go season. No chef no do that. You understand? But that's how me do it with people. Remember come off my fridge so I throw off any little ice water with the pan in. So you see my people, all of them are going on my fish, you know. Yeah.
That
Enough people not do it so. So me season up my thing, my people. Everything. Yeah. Because when I deal with my fish, you know, me flour my fish, me flour my fish and then me fry him and then me just brown stew him down back my people. Because I love gravy. Yeah. Them a chef nowadays, no disrespect me, don't know if my son are one, but them a chef nowadays can't make gravy, majority of them. No, me love my gravy and my gravy start from these, the seasoning. Yes, my people. So me do my thing, man. Original stir-rogan in the kitchen. No have no towel to them, me nah do no flashing. No black nah leave, me nah do no rough casting. What me a do? In my kitchen, messing that my Sunday dinner, you know, man cooking. Yeah, my people, that's how you go. Can you imagine the fish season up, go up on fridge, go freeze up my people. And man still a season up in fish like this. Yeah, man. And I'm not sure me I cook in front of the camera, you know, my people. No. So we eat every day, my people.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I'm just go through you know, and I cut up him spice and
yeah, man. Everything you want to see now that I cut up on my
everything.
fish friend. Everything you want to see I cut up, just like how me I cut up this. And then me use little Maggi, all purpose, seasoning, as powder. I don't know what Maggi do. Maggi catch me. I love Maggi, you see. But I give my wife bun with Maggi. Believe me. Trust me. The way I love Maggi. Because I don't know where she take and catch me. That's the only kind of seasoning me use, my people. With powder. Yeah, man. So I saw me cut up all my thing then, man. And man would have said, why am I cut up them the pan of meat? And I could have even meat here I cook to my people. I see how you would have do it. Because I don't really know about the meat thing, you know. Me a Rasta from my barn. Me used to eat chicken. You mistake that one, I used to eat chicken and name chicken back. Yeah. Because we're not afraid to tell them where we are come from. Whether we are Rasta, bald, Christian or what. Yeah, man. So you go, my people. You can imagine just this gravy alone, my people, when time is done. Pepper. Afraid for pepper we can't put in your food, you know, but when you're not afraid for pepper, you know, because that's the next thing, you know. You can't adjust, you know. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, everything I go boil out, my people. Yeah. No. That's why me alone can't do all so much work, you know, my people, because my body well fed, you know. Not just now, you know, long time. That's how the man do that pan of fishy, my people. Yeah, man, everything will get seasoning, man. Then what? If you eat my okra without seasoning. Alright, one more thing now, my people. Me I go for
man, I can't do without it neither, I know the good old Maggi. Well, everybody, if you don't cook with Maggi, your food not
yeah,
nice.
Man,
I can't tell me say
I say go, man. Alright, you see me people, I'm alone, me use. You see, alright, I couldn't use fish, you know, but me use all purpose. Because you see, two me don't use nothing more of them. Yeah, just that one I'm work with. Yeah, man. So me season up everything, my people. Season up everything, my people. And I don't tell you no say fish when season up already, my people. So you see the fullness, my people. You can imagine the Rasta pot. Yeah, man. Alright, my people. Yeah, man. That's how we do it, man. We go put this and now make him go sit down back here now, my people.
Yeah, man. We go marinate in a real life.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. Alright, my people, you see him?
That
yeah, man. It. So that I go sit down back here now until film time come. Okay? Yeah, man, that's how we do it, my people.
Yes, I so fish done season up. Over here, so the peas are boiled. So it's a good look. Yeah, man. Alright, boss, I'm going to grate that.
Blender and thing, you know, people, but I'm not doing the blender unless I do.
See that? Boss, I go grate and coconut, really hard one style, you know, peeps. Big old coconut.
Escape. Look at my people. Peas are the best seasoning, my people. Because I know people don't love garlic, you know, but I want the best seasoning, you know, my people. Yeah, man, one little piece of escape, you know. Hey, you smell the fish already, man. I'll go and talk. I don't want you to talk. Go about your business.
See the peas? That's
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. In a real life.
That's how we do it, my people.
It's the Rastaman I go deal with and now great and coconut. Oh, nice fruit tree window. Aki the palm tree, so it's a good look. Then in the kitchen I go do what we have to do.
Yes, my people, I know say no one of us say, yeah, I know you have to carry the Rasta come a riverside, come cook some food, such and such, you know, brother. That's how you go, you know, my people, everything I got.
All them there, you know, we throw them in a fire, you know.
Yeah. Them they can't go in that fire there, yes, but.
Yeah, man, put them in there, man.
No, man, don't give me too much trouble, you know. See, my people, we kind of summarize, you know. Because I got one place go look some coconut and by the time I come back, you know. I notice I see water run out of bag. I go show you my people, you know, good, you know. And it can good see you know, my people, but it have a high. You understand? Like say, when I start grow, the higher the something, you know, make it grow. So like it reach that stage, eh. Can you see it, my people? Alright, you see the eye, my people? Yeah. So all that they know we make a rice and peas taste away, you know. So I'm not going to use that one.
I get a different one. So coconut like this nice to go in a fishing pot. Like if you have to catch all crayfish or nothing like them there, you can put this in the pot. In a fishing pot and you catch some crayfish or some fish. Yeah, man. But enough time we use the coconut them with the eye, you know. But look at this eye. The eye is supposed to white and pretty, but this yellow, green, black. So you know say it no good. You see pre try that. So
Yeah.
to go on next one.
No people that use that still, you know.
This
No
nice.
people that
You
use
can
that,
use
you
this
know,
for
but,
set
you know.
fish pot or if you
Yeah,
have a boil
man.
coconut milk.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
you have
aye,
coconut
yeah.
oil, you can use that.
Alright, you see this now, I know so this solid I know, you know, my people. So more time I go that way, yeah, you know. Yeah, you know what we are going to do? We are going to drink coconut water, you know.
Yeah, man. Wash
See how
off
I know
the
it's
oil.
solid, my people. Yeah, man, I drink the water.
Yeah, man, coconut nice. Boss just broke you up. So you know say greater man, greater it and look how pretty.
Yes, my people.
Pretty man. Yes, I.
This make enough people not use coconut, you know, people, because they're afraid to pull it out. You have to skill to pull it out, you know. You have to just know the fullness. Yeah. Make certain wrap your knife to a dimension. And remember, say your hand niggle. And you don't want to cut your hand niggle, so you just take time and carry him right round. You see me, people? Yeah.
See it,
You have some coconut that come out so still it come out mince. But when you start pull out the coconut, you will know the nature of it.
Just
Yeah.
like pear, avocado, I see him some more time. He easy to come out of the skin and
Yeah.
then have a next time we have to dig it out.
Alright.
Same thing with coconut.
The one you have good nature coconut,
Yeah,
my
man.
people.
Sometimes you even broke the coconut and by broken here, does she shell, you see a jump off.
Aye. Good nature coconut.
Yeah, man. So as soon as him done dig out them and start greater, you make you see what go on. So I must go through here now and dig them out. Yeah,
So we are blender, you know, but I compulsory when we work with the blender, you know. Yeah, man. I are hills, man, you know. Family them want me go tour all the world, and me tell yourself I go sit down. Give me food, make me eat and money for spend. Cause they want to build up, you know, my people, and me a builder, you know, so I have to build them, you know, they help me go where me a go. And them for build and make me have house abundant for living at the moment I get old and old. So yes, my people. Yeah, man. See how we get going, you know.
Yeah, man. Fire
You
out.
catch me to them, my people.
Coast over bun, you know.
I hear it, you want to see this, my people.
Yeah, man. Not before the time,
I
man.
hear it, you want to see this, my people. So we deal with the thing with people. Coconut they have the thing like this with people. So it's slack. You understand? The right way when you grate a coconut, you plant yourself. I don't know about the next one, you know, but me a teacher. You see how I plant myself, bless now my people. Yeah, I have my pressure now for you read. When me the house in the blues, I go so on it all, slide and the grate all cut you, you see it. You so you can't cut you when you plant, but when you plant yourself, alright, gone we gone a road. Original, you know? Yeah man, I love them things. My wife can't tell you say me the man every Sunday morning me used to grate at the coconut. All when me go to work, grate at the coconut because I vex when them put it in a blender. You see it, my people? Yeah man. Original stereo gun, you know? In my kitchen me there. Rice and peas and fish me say. Yeah man.
Yeah, when you hard for the greater.
Yeah man, I want me loving on my people, I'm a thing my people.
Me not like greater
I'm a
coconut.
thing my people.
In the
Yeah,
comment
man.
section, if you don't like greater coconut, let me hear you say it. Me don't like greater coconut.
Oh yeah, so no call me for greater some coconut food.
But the man just a run it on the greater.
Yeah man, a normal thing my people.
Me not like greater with this food.
Yeah my people. Inborn, you know? Fast, my people. Rub it down to nothing. that's how we do it thing with people. Yeah. And then we get the water. Sorry. Yeah man, and we wash off the thing with people. Remember we don't even wash off everything from first, you know, so everything clean and everything, you know. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so I chew one amount of water I expect some you want in I know my people. You see? So I chew the amount there. Alright? And here one next little secret again I know. No sun in here. Yeah man, if it's sun in here, just put in the sun my people to be ready for you. You know what that do? That joke, this everything that they coconut the people. Yeah.
You hear that?
You see, make it one set them out till they're ready for me people. Yeah. All peas are one, yeah man. I'm not the longest man our body up in our
Yeah man.
It's soon good. Yeah my people at that time so far my people. Son can't want sour sap come there now so. Sour sap I see much of them now. Because I don't know, you know, I just love make me think them have a time out before me deal with them. Yeah, so all the sour sap you know me juice it. You know, squeeze him out same way and put him in some water and just put him on the side make him go and set same way. I don't know just my style that to get everything out of them way, you know?
Active.
Yeah man, so you go my people. So what's up like as I say we wash everything. Yeah man. I go wash off so what's up you know because we deal with them and put him in the man. So cold, see how we wash off everything with people. Yeah, my people, that's how we deal with them.
Fully active in our kitchen peeps. Some coal stove there, cook pan, yardman style.
Yes, my people, see I'm pretty?
Yeah man. Pretty for real.
Yeah man. We have to block him out in a bucket and soak him out right away my people. I'm saying if you look up at the people bed, you see? You deal with sour sap, you can give them the part and make them eat it, yeah? Yeah. Because I'm an old man, you know, old people me grow with, so I be old people talk me up, you know? Yeah. And if you don't check that joke, check on the old relative. Anything you hear me say, if you don't check that joke, check on the old relative, my people. Yeah, man. Alright, see him there? Soap, I'm going to put him for soap, you know? Yeah, man. We have the phone.
Put some water and eat, you know. And then you know I eat that till I'm ready for sweet meat. So we're there man, fully active in our kitchen. Just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend if you tell a friend. Everything normal, everything active. Outside I do the right thing, is it? Yeah man, a biggie.
Yeah, I'm going to go and make it juice before I'm ready to feed my people. Yeah. Just like that, my people. I have a woman friend who ever talk about that style of my friend. Yeah, because I go where she there and she will quiz sour sap and I did there and I saw me stay, you know, I'm a family man, whether I'm a family or not, you know. I'm terrible but I loving people. You see me, I loving man. So when she did it now and I cook her now and ready now for her sour sap, so she will quiz her sour sap and she said, wait, let me never want sour sap here, so.
Yeah man. Fully active man, coal stove, a bun red peeps. Yeah man. Everything active man. Yeah man, in a real life right now we are turning fire in a 2 burner, you know. Yeah man, so yeah, so we are going to fry the fish.
Yes man.
Is it pretty?
Yes my people.
Yeah man, fire the ketchup, peas are boil. Yes, so you know we are going to fry the fish.
When I know we are catching off and one.
Yeah man.
Use no original fire because we have fire already, so just line them up make you want to catch fire early.
Yeah man, just take out piece of fire coal out there, sir.
Yes man.
And put against this.
Yeah,
and that is it.
Yardman style.
Yeah man, fully active man. We outside man. So as soon as the fire they catch up, you know, we are start fry some fish. So stay tuned
fry
for
my
that.
fish.
Yeah.
When me done, I just chew him down. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I don't know, I was take up, smell all the smell through the media.
Think of chattings.
You must have fish gone cooking a seasoning already.
Mm.
Oh God. Yeah, man. Next thing again, you know, for people when you know any roadside food or you know eat food or you know cook, you know supposed to can tap in a place and look straight in a kitchen. No disrespect, we not burn out nobody, but hear me now. A positiveness we are dealing with in the earth and anything me I do I teach. You see when you can go in a place and look straight in the kitchen where them are going with food come out in front of you, yes, but some people will go back at some corner, me people. Burn out them blurred not Rastafari, because now see them now see if you don't see some roach and some cockroach and some sinting. When you take just the man downtown with the shit and sinting. People not looking on themselves. Here. And eat clean food. Clean food me people, now here.
That is it.
And when nasty people have cook nasty food, give people not change to no dirty ways. Yeah. Notice every minute Rasta washing on them. Yes man, that's how we stay man. Me a cook and you notice me have my dish with my water with my spoon and people and you know say fish can't fly. So just to show you plenty this and godly this.
Yeah.
What a phone is something come over here. Because nobody feel say me know my son a cook dirty food, me now burn him out, you know. See him they ask him. Because some is stay. Yeah. Because we teach him thing fully. Alright my people, and then clean already. I don't know if I catch when I go wash them, but I don't know when I stop wash me and they see now. Yeah. And the next thing again, you know my people, I talk over my food, you know. Sealer. I chew him and do that they know, you see it? Yeah. Some man a cook food there, you know, tap blah over it. Dirty food. Yes, yard my people, I say go in a yard one style, you know. People them want me a foreign, you know. It's up to them alone, me tour the world, you know, my people. But me love them life, you know. I do me tell them to make me a food to eat, you know. Yeah. And me have to carry them to drive, go look me girl them, you know. Big up yourself, my wife. I don't know wife for life. Yeah, man. Yes, my people are so deep, you know. Because I'm in a party, my boy, you know. When you finish in that way, shop, you could have juicy back. The people are so we do it.
Yes, so I go through you know and juice the coconut and so you can get the juice, so you know say I have to take out the trash out of it, so I take out the trash and I put yes and then it all left the source of milk in the pot and then you know say we have put that in the peas pot.
Let me put on pot the curry. Yes, my people, see me now?
Strain.
Strain me, I strain him out now, my pot now, my people. Alright. The colour in my pot already, my people.
So when I season up the pot, you make you see how I'm season it up after and put in the milk, you know say you have all more things to put in there, so stay tuned for that.
Alright my people. Yeah, slip me because all the garlic when it go in there from the peas just are going in, you know, my friend, because I not left garlic, you know. Garlic my people, I not left garlic. Yeah man. So a season we are going to season up rice pot you know. So you know see it. You know say we are the best you know, but when time we cook with food you know. Yeah man. It tastes like when you go buy some food and when you eat you say what this man. No. Whole time teaching of live on, you know, see them they teaching, we can't go wrong, you know. Come be a man, you know. Teach my family, my youth them, you know. Yeah man. Yeah my people then garlic can go crush out, you know. Yeah man. If we go in there from peas, a boil from morning, you know. Yeah, man. But that's how you go. Yeah.
Crush up the garlic.
Come on, man. You see that good thing we wash off my place. Yeah, man. But it's a man more time when he come like you want to give a bad man trouble, you know, friend. The people, you have to know him, yeah. So you make certain sure him in a pot like where I'm going to get trouble, you know. Yeah, man, season him, I go season up, you know, my friend. Come on again. Show him Mr. Time. Show him Mr. Pepper. We don't bust him. When him boil, you know, we put in the rice, we find him and take him out. But for the flavour, notice me put green one, me don't put the ripe one. Yeah, because the green pepper have a different flavour, you know. Yeah. One here, my scallion again, me crush my scallion. What you Jason? Where this one come from? You hear me talk, so they know you know, so one come here present himself. Good plate, on bright, so. What are we in bright media? Eh? Oh, scallion? Yeah. Alright. Boil them, I go boil them on my people. Don't get rid of it, man, because you know I kill me till I found me. Alright. So you want one more thing on my people. Salt. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna take them and crop up. Yes, man, because I catch it. Right now, I smell the rice and peas, but already my people are not even peas now. Nothing can go so. Nothing can go so, man. When I smell the rice and peas, but already are nothing. Not even peas no cook it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Active in our kitchen, yes, so man, peas almost done cook, so you know, say. We season it up a while ago, put in what we put in it. And we are waiting for another fire and now if it gets so we can start fry some fish and you know what I mean, we're going to sweeten the sour sap juice also and just have a good time, eat some food and you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Boss, I blew a fire where I blaze already. You don't know what I hear about that. More this one, peeps are more than when I boss blow enough cause this look like it not catch. It a catching up. You know, but it just look like it not catch. And look for the one where I blow. One where I burn red already. But everything active, man.
Yeah, it's a good vibes, you know.
Yeah, man, we're outside, man. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend if you tell a friend. Also, go over my mother YouTube channel, go subscribe. Zipri Leah Authentics Journey. So do the right thing. Yeah, man, go on over there, go subscribe. In a real life. That is it. See it there? Yeah, man. Boss, kill about the fish and now season up and everything. When you see how we season it up already. Yeah, man. Peas over there, so see it there. This a ketchup, so look a bit from this. Yeah, go see. Yeah, go see fish are fry. Yo, it's a good look, you know, I love this video. Yeah, man, everything active, man. So as soon as this ketchup, I start fry some fish, so stay tuned for that. 2 coals, 2 overrun, red. Yeah,
but no big boy, you can't come for your eat. Anyway, you can't come for your eat.
Yeah, man, because we never cook exact food.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Looking at you again.
Yeah, man, that's how you go with people.
Back. Yeah, man, I'm over here, so. On TikTok live in a real life. Yeah, man, so make sure you check out my TikTok page to peeps. Zipri at 5-star general. Yeah, man, so just check out my TikTok, man, at 5-star general. Just join the whole line together at 5-star general. Do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, I'm fully active.
Sleep in a full time, sleep. Early morning when I get up to sleep, like how back in the days, coconut oil used to sleep. The only oil, coconut oil. The only oil you can mix it with and it don't frat is the real coconut oil. And so I don't have the time now to really show no. Any other oil you make, cooking oil you mix this with, it frat in the pot. If you get the original coconut oil, it just sit down same way. We don't see it one at a time. This is the oil we use. Alright, well I wanna look like we are going to a fish pot. Yeah, man, check some load of sea fish pot there.
So I line up now.
Yeah, man. And we deal with the fish same way. All who no use grease and anything there, you know. We deal with the fish same way, you know, people without grease, you know. But me just look my thing my way. That's why me use natural. Try to go natural. Yeah. Alright, see my fish here. And see my flour there. Because I go flour my fish. You see it? Yeah, man. And when I'm done now, I just throw all of my seasoning ingredients back in my oil. And I'm going to see how I do it. Half fry that, you know. Do my thing kind of different, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, man. Go on add some support well up. Yeah, man. Yeah, now I put in us, you know. One, two of them cup there now. Why you not you want me to cook? I wish my pot smells so sweet. And it come like a the raw fish smell, so you know. Yo, my people, me I tell you, say, oh. In the kitchen smell like ready food there, and nothing there ready yet to eat. Good brown rice. Yeah, man. Wrong spirit that come in between and I have nothing to do with him. You hear me, people? And as me all the time people then say enough we have to hang dog without put the rope on his neck, you know? Yeah. Now cook 2 cups of rice. Yeah. Alright, this is not 1 full cup, 1 little bit. Why, Jason? Rice, I would have mashed me up a good while. I don't cook the rice here, you know? Yeah, boy, now. Big up yourself, my wife, anywhere you're there. You're dying for me to eat this rice. Trust me, I know that.
Yeah, once you done, then just wash it and then put in a pot. So you put in a pot. You see what go on.
2 cups, my people. I go check back in my pot again because you know the rice go with the amount of liquid, my people. No. Show them in the pot, but me I tell them now. So they put a card for the rice, you know. Ask them, when you see in the pot, look at my people. No people that cook rice and peas that know disrespect, you know, see them things around the pot side. You understand? You know them that want my people. Coconut. Coconut that, you know. Yeah. Well ready they know my people. Alright, come up here now, make we test some peas again, you know. This is garlic. Alright, my people, you know see how Mr. Peas press out? Alright, my people, you know what that mean now, my people? Okay.
Rice.
Rice, that now, my people. Fast food place, them now wash rice. Then throw the rice in a bucket for cook and from them throw the water upon it. Then just start take out the rice and throw it in the pot, my people. I don't eat a roadside and fast food, so I don't know. But that's what I hear some people say them rice, my people. We don't do that. We wash the rice till we see the color of water look like water. And we say yes. Yes, my people, that's what I do my thing. Because I mean, you know, I don't waste nothing. I don't waste my wife's juice. We do everything different, my people. I just some steal. You see it? Yeah, man, so 3 times it's a wash now. Supposed to alright, you know. Because I don't care what we do, we can't wash out Babylon. Thing where them put in knife to kill we, you know. No care what we do and wash them sitting. Yes, my people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man,
So boss there now. I wash the rice for put in the pot. After I'm putting rice in the pot, you know, so you start fry the fish them. Yeah, man. That a done, you know.
How the pot look? So you don't want to come out here, you take out the rubber. Alright, my people, see it now. What I go in at the pot of the rice, you know. I catch it from away there. Yes, my people. So we are now. Rice gone a pot, you know, my people. See me, my people. Rice gone a pot, my people. Whoa. Whoa. final story there now. The people. Him that they know me people. The people, me not even remember if it taste the pot. I mean not taste me people. Me not remember if it taste the pot me people, because me not taste pot me people. Though me know me cooking, me not taste the pot me people. Aye. It's a good thing you taste, you know, because you me a Rastaman and fresh food me cooking, you know. But me don't want my son to me give him fresh food to eat, man. I want my son to me give him fresh food at all, you know. Yes, me
Yeah,
people.
fully active.
Yes, me people.
Father, sunrise, bless up. Yeah, man. Bless up too, you know. Bless up yourself.
Yes, me people. All time people we grow with, you know, so we know this, you know. Teach you this from a little bit, you know. Come in the kitchen, boy. What you out there do? Me a cook. But look what me a do. So when you get big, you know where you go. Yeah, man. I custom to fry my fish, my people. Although me use non-stick. When the fish wet, you know, I intend for stick, and I roasting for me, I fry all my fish and I sticking on my people. So me just brown through him and just brown him rough and just go in it. When you want to, my people, if you never eat grease, and when you're done, you can't believe how it's sweet. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, you can imagine all them things you cooking and seasoning already, you know. Yes, man. When you're cooking and seasoning already, you know, my people. Who don't want a piece of fish? Come for no, man. Me go know everything and never eat none, you know, my people. Trust me, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Boy. If you don't catch it, smell it, my people. Alright. You can imagine they done gone, but I mean, teach me this. Don't remember food you cook, you can't DJ over the food, principle. And the old people and teach me this here, my people. Yeah, man. My son, the amount of people who draw down from me and road and say, sunrise, father. Brethren, a chef you going to make them start calling me on the road. But no, people, you know who you know me people? This man are going to make people start calling me chef on the road now, you know. Hey, hey. Yeah, man, I saw me do it, me people. Alright. If my son in there, you have 2 pieces, me cook with people. If you me I cook for me and my son to them, people.
Yeah, man. I was going on years.
This man eat out of me.
Years, I don't eat from my father and my mother. You know. My mother, they overseas, so I don't eat from my mother years. But otherwise, years, I don't eat from my father and my father in Jamaica. You don't believe that? Well, it's stopped now. Yeah, man, years when I eat from my father. I know him can cook because he knows to cook. He was eat free and the whole of it. He call him fried dumpling, them broad and soft and nice. When just stay true, you know, I will see all of them the time to come. But right now, fish there in our pot, a fry. Yeah, man. And the rice over there, so steam. Yeah. So everything looking good. Yeah, man.
I want to check my kitchen again and fish my deal. I want nothing flying in my kitchen. So no sister who can eat from the rest.
That's ice back the pot there now. Because you don't want the rice.
You know rice we just cook on a certain temperature. That's why I love cook rice and cool. Yes, my people, I am that. Right. The great tuna, you know. AKA Bonita Jack, you know. Yeah. My fish this. Them site make me can't work, so I me alone there and make me house. So me I eat the fish and my wife give me the pill. Where pill name again? I still fish I make you know.
Fish eye pill like so.
Yeah. Yes. This is one special name one me talk.
Yeah, man. Everything active, man. Fish in our pot and the rice and steam so. Just go and easy back to the fish them ready to turn and all of that will make you see what go on. But otherwise everything active, man, everything nice. Everything nice. Everything active. Everything alright. I just you if you subscribe to the channel and remember tell our next friend for tell our next friend. Everything active outside.
People. Sometimes the fish don't intend to swim, you know. So we don't want to swim, you know, turn them away because they will swim out of the pot, you know. Yeah, my people. Just like that. Yeah. So when I do my thing, I know when I done, I know I can fry them there. I'm just make up my gravy different. I'm going to put them back in my gravy or nothing. Because I make my rice with my gravy and my fish I eat normal. Or I just put them back in my gravy and everything in one brown stew. Yeah, well that style I do this evening. Just put them back in my gravy and just brown stew down my people. You want to taste piece of this fish already, my people. Because more time I just saw me eat them, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Alright. A lot of amount of oil in my pot now look bad to cook up my gravy. Because you have to work with your oil. You know how going to oil go fry up. You never see one cook like this yet. You never see one cook like this yet, my people. Fry up Irish okra. To my teeth kind of bad, make me not bother with the carrot. Fry up everything, my people. Yeah, man. But that means to my people, my food real cook. Can't call my food no fast food. Nah, real cook, my people. Yeah, man. From here you know that okra not take long to cook. Sweet potato not Irish not take long to cook. So when if you understand. Alright, my people, see me now. I me take out some. You understand? For the white rice I know, you know, you wouldn't want no more of this. But to a brown rice, and brown rice give a intention to her. Harder for steam. So I would that repeat. Alright, over here some. Come here now. The time good now. Yeah, man. As when I say the coconut juice, when I take out, I eat my hands here use. But a brown rice you now call back theme, so I'm doing it now, my people. This couldn't go in high seasoning up, so you know him turn water quick, so wait till now. So all you know chef out there, chef you know hold up a powder, this and powder, that, and I can't deal with the meat because I don't see powder. And pies or no pies off for yourself. When you see what's going on this Maggie, the young woman who would have given my wife bun with. It's alright, see me know my people. Just put back my fish them in him.
Yeah man boss, just drop in the fish them in a pot. Make them cook back down with all of them stuff here. Easy pray. Yeah man.
Alright, we have a brown him, so we put the brown in now in this. Yes, my people, so I'm going to make him go and simmer down there now, my people. You understand? Yeah, one more. Oh, just remember it's something that I should tell you.
Not good on there, no.
Yeah, I want him to put in him there now. Yeah, man, see me now, my people. See color of my pot there now. Eel! That's the color of my pot there now, my people. You see it? Yeah. It's green and gold, you see it? No joke.
That is it.
Alright, so ready pot now, my people. Ready pot, my people. Me all come down left the rice.
Rice pot there. Yes, I. On the rice. Rice are steamed good. Brown rice. Boss, a long time you don't cook the brown rice. So you know say you have to put bag over it. See the active one. Yeah man. So we there now I go line up the sweet with the soursop juice and then you know say food done cook. So
yeah man, we are drawn or something there.
Everything active peeps.
You know, you see how my gravy down the thick already. I asked my son if I don't see. But I just saw it here now. So we are show you say what real food you know I get.
So what you put in here now?
Yeah, me I use the breadcrumbs and now to make you have more body, you know.
Okay.
Because I say me gravy no water, because I don't love water gravy, you know. Yeah. So I put breadcrumbs. We don't have to use the breadcrumbs, we could use Irish. Greater the Irish, see way. Yeah. So you pot with my people. Ready pot, you know, my people. Come for some now, man. You can't just drive in, you know. You want to taste, man, tell me what I'm taste. Then some man used to cook dog, I saw him cook dog, you know.
Makes my days tasty pot.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, you active, man.
I lie.
Good, man.
You make media world feel good, you know, man. I'm out there, I'm out with people.
Yeah, man. So,
Yes, my people are ready
I'll go
for
through
it.
you now. See, that was the sauce-up juice for sweeten. And then at food time, subscribe to the channel.
People, ready pot. Yeah, man.
That is it.
Brown stew, fish and that. Yeah. Mr. Rice, a bad man. The people.
Yeah, man, Shelly, nice.
The people, old boy, know if it's steam rice, so look on the rice, so you Shelly, my people. No man shall be too Shelly, you know, my people. Whoa.
Yeah, man. That is it. So, soon sharing time, we just have a sweeten sauce-up juice and then we make you see what go on. Yeah, man.
My people. People. You want steam.
Egg already, man.
You know that no me done there when I talk to them on the live.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, this is lassa, you know. No really drink milk. We drink lassa, you understand?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Because me no want a Rastaman we burn out every chicken about no use this or no use that. That's why enough of them dry out and dead before time and sitting. You see it?
Yeah, man. So right now, that you have the lassa and you have nothing egg.
Yeah.
And I put some
And now
sugar.
me put some sugar.
And sweet meat, and you know I eat that.
Natural.
Yeah,
Put about 1, put about 2, put about 3, put about 4. Because I'm telling you, know, my people, I don't taste nothing when I deal with, you know. Because 3 can't too fresh for me and it can't too salt for me. Yeah.
That is it.
See that, my people?
So whenever you know you're ready to share out some food, make you see what I go on. Subscribe to the channel in a real life.
My people. One thing we must do is fault we do find with this rice I must want more salt because I tell you know me cook. But people,
Yeah, man, it's active.
if you ever smell the rice, my people, just the smell alone. Don't drop. If you want more, you go back a pot, you know. Alright, my people, you see me now, me original, you know, my people. Me not left me pocky, you know. My pocky make my food sweet, you know, my people. You see for me plate.
Yes, I. Food ready.
See me people? Yeah. Real rice and peas, real brown rice.
Yo, look at the peeps. Pretty. Pretty though.
Real brown rice.
Yeah, man, let me see some Arthur go up on the screen for the rice and peas. Yeah, look how pretty, look how it run in our plate.
Right?
Shelly and
Look at
nice.
my people, looking at that one I know my people. Rasta no eat meat but looking at my pot my people. I no meat na this a pot of my people. And if you Rasta tell lie my people, me no eat meat you know, but I no meat na this a pot of my people. Good eh? Alright my people. When the man is stay with gravy, me no like share people food you know.
No, just put it gravy over him, man. Good.
Me eat enough gravy, have some people don't eat enough gravy. Yes, my people.
And with rice and peas, me not eat enough gravy because you know from the rice cook with the coconut, it well nice. So you know what? No gravy for you to the rice
people,
and
me
peas.
just love my gravy, my people. Alright, my people, you see my fish there, my people. See how my fish look, my people.
That is it. Yeah, man. Everything active, peeps.
Watch why me alone live, me nobody deal with the vegetable, you know, my people. You know that's a part of it make my plate look prettier. But you understand, a soda pot we cook. On Sunday, I know I put it on the media, so, you know?
Yeah, man.
So you go, my people. Oh, man, they say, you can imagine my people. You have to whisper the man say, you know it bonita, but you want somebody gravy.
Yeah, man, you have no people not eat meat, but they want to eat
that, my
gravy.
people. Yes, my people, I made this. I saw it go. I made this, my people.
When I'm bridging there, I say they don't eat fish, but they don't take it gravy. They don't eat bonita, Jack.
Alright, you see my people? Yeah, man.
Look funny. Pretty. Peeps, you know what I see what I go on? I'm sure you know what I go on.
Yes, my people. Don't tell my son want to love now from one and a love from wait there, my people, because you know I saw it go.
Yeah, man, peeps.
Yeah, man. Man, I say him no eat meat. Tomorrow the gravy.
Active, man. Yeah,
Yes,
man.
my people.
See, for me, yeah, this a finna look pretty. I'm gonna save your plate. I'm gonna save it. Don't worry.
I haven't taste the food yet, but we know them are say it nice, my people.
Yeah, man.
You know? I know I'm going to request the Rasta in our kitchen with sunrise and time I'm not doing nothing, you know. You know, that's how it go, man, because we are one big family. You see it, my people?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Active, man.
Active, man.
See food up, peeps.
Active, man.
Yeah, man. So we have to go through here now. Yeah, man. I'll mash up some food. Yo. Bag, man. Bag of fog.
Jason, I get one more compliment my people. You see what I want to plate to my people. Yeah. I give my virgin a taste and in this house, you can't get back that.
No,
really delicious.
Yeah,
you know it, really thing this. Hear that?
Yeah, man.
Can't give back. You see me, I say?
In a real life.
What else, man?
Yeah, man. Food active the true peeps. There, I mash up mine now. I remember me telling for a long time. Daddy a big chef for Zippo. Yes, I. Rasta have to share up with him again. Bad. Well, so then go with you.
Yes, so what's up, juice in the fridge, friend.
Oh,
You
yeah,
see it,
man.
my people? I used to this my people. You see it? First time the man come shoot me, you see what catch me, I have to come share me whole again, my people. I take me the word how that sound. How that look, my people.
Food nice, so you give virgin I eat and the virgin you say, yo, you know, get back that plate there and virgin just mash up all our food. So you have to come back and share the next plate of food for himself. Be sure your food bad for sure. Come like one of man done already. Well, our one man do done and gone already.
Where?
One man done and gone. Already not gone away and just go and check in virgin for forward. Yeah.
Yes, my people. Build back our next packet, come to ramp with my pocket them, you know? I feel proud. I'm a virgin, so boy, you know, I get back this, you know. Boy, is here on the bone, you know? Mama, I taste one little piece, and then I have to taste one little piece, and I have to taste a little piece.
Yeah.
Your virgin make a taste, and it's a boy, Rasta, sorry, you know, but me not give back that plate, you know? You see it, my people?
Yeah,
Just to show you.
Can't eat back, brother.
When you tune in, sunrise, boss, we go cook some food and tell him, so no left for Rasta. That's
Can't
all
eat back.
here.
I tell her.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I just survive. Where food there already? Where food there?
Boy, you don't know, you know, I say one grain in our plate. Just ask him where about the whole of the gone down in our belly. For you say it's delicious, I have to eat it fast. I can't make it cold. I swear.
Yeah, that beef. Boss can't make it cool.
Okay, so my delicious food.
Yeah, most of all, but me not live in that place with me down and that me I tell her. No, not live in that place.
Yeah, man. So what's up,
The food delicious in my feet, yeah, fast, you can't make it get cool.
The sauce juice nice again, a sauce of lime and sweet, no?
Here they again.
One more taste and no more left back in the cup.
Yeah?
No, do not get.
Yeah, my youth call me
Find the most
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Nice man, really delicious.
Oh, you say I drink the sauce up juice and my distract your
You
friend.
know, I tell you man, before man love me drink and then talk to me afterward. Man.
You want your truck?
Yeah, where's the now?
You want your truck?
Maybe I saw me in the one, cause it's too
I
nice.
can't get none.
But you're smart, that's why you don't want.
Take some of female now for
That's why you don't want to talk to you when you drink it, you don't want to say, give me some now,
I
man.
tell you man, but I talk now for me now no more.
Man, didn't choke, man.
Got no
No
style.
more.
Yeah, you tell man.
Yeah, man. Bad peeps, man. Tell you. Active, man.
You like to eat me cooking all the while, man.
Yeah, man.
Time me pot, eh?
I'm glad, man.
Time me pot, eh?
Yeah, man.
Man, you time me pot. We look for the water, I say, yo, 2 o'clock. Right, that's right there.
Come to the concrete street. You think I know the man want me shot? I'm not celebrated. You see, first time I cook a man, come check with the food. That's what you say, man. Yeah, but I'm not say to you, say, no, man.
Yeah man, a real thing
Well,
man.
I go to a restaurant, man.
Yo.
Come see, man, take away food.
So I take
long
two
time
for
without
this
sister
time.
like
You
this,
say me
man.
have to ask you 2 times. Say, what I say? For me, name is...
You have to celebrate here, man. Come here, gone. Come here, if you come to that to you. Maybe share a plate for you, brother.
Look at
Come here, gone.
For me and this, don't me feel this fool and sitting me and say, no man. For me and this.
Rasta, you know you mess man. You say I money I talk to. I know me I talk to. But me still say listen. And you know when the man tell me what way you move, brother. Oh my son. Eh? But me see man a move, you know. And I say, yo, man, say man say no. I no feel you alone, you know, fear all the man food. Him say, where's the raggle? Have you me and him? The man say, where's the raggle? Have you me and him? I say, yes, man, you must have fear the man, man. You understand what I say?
That's why you go, because I'm grown and my son say, wait.
Yo.
You share
Yeah,
about
I'm
one
tell the man say, yo,
Mm.
give me up, man.
Last time I begging him, sometimes I don't talk. No.
Yo, you say, no, sir. I'm not give him this man. Give him the food, man.
Bad peeps.
Yes, yeah, man, still ask the man. Say, you want at the plate? Eh? You want at the plate?
Where?
Man say, yeah, man.
Because
Look there. No, no, no,
you know,
no.
me take myself easy, you know. When me grown now, I'm
Nothing
going
for
to
waste.
have no share back one for myself.
Everything done.
And that's
So,
what I do.
Rasta food.
Yeah,
Real.
man.
We now, yes, no,
Yeah,
no, we
man,
now
real
force
thing,
nothing.
Yeah, man.
I drink
Real thing, man. See my drink all the rum with the rice and peas. Catch it.
You imagine how it's
Look
like
now,
that
yes,
tomorrow.
everything I go down right
Yeah,
now.
man. Son, when I call you
So,
Sunday,
stop
Monday,
juice.
bad.
This is
Yeah,
the
man.
original.
No.
Yeah, man.
No, we not call it Sunday Monday for nothing
Yeah,
to this girl is for Monday.
No, you know, you tell you can't imagine to taste all this.
A journey. Hey, you say the bun part, you say should I just
No,
strip out the bun part and give me final bun, you know.
Mm.
Oh, I want things to that you have ganja tea. I'm not
Good, I do it the same way.
Yeah,
I don't
man,
know.
I feel
Set
ganja
with
tea.
food.
Dog, me ganja tea.
Yeah,
Rasta
man.
done. Me alone not done yet, so I go and eat and now. And when
Oh, yeah,
it
man.
done in the video,
We
you
broke
make
down
it
the money, but
forward.
you're not
Yes,
nice.
And they say thing them.